Hey guys, it's Alex. Welcome back to Ruby Tutorials for Beginners. Now, if you've made it this far, congratulations, you now know the basics of the Ruby language. But something that you might not know is that Ruby is a popular language not because of its simplicity, but because of the Rails framework, the Ruby on Rails framework. Now, Ruby on Rails is a very popular, simple, and powerful framework for creating complex web applications. For example, Airbnb is created with Rails, which just shows you how powerful Rails is. As I said, it's really simple, and you can actually even count these tutorials as an introduction to the Rails framework, as you can't start using Rails without knowing a little bit Ruby. So I'm pleased to announce you that very soon I'll be launching a Ruby on Rails for Beginners tutorials. I promise they will be out very soon. So until then, hang around and I'll see you there. Peace.